How to use Instagram Instants. So this is a new feature on Instagram that allows you to send disappearing messages similar to Snapchat. So you can basically only take live photos and post photos in real time. You won't be able to upload photos from the camera roll or edit the image. Now, to begin using this feature, open up the Instagram app and click on your messages at the bottom of the page. You can then click on the instant icon in the bottom right hand side. You can then click on how it works and then just go and tap over to the next photo. Now you'll see the camera window, and this is where we can go and take our live photo. You have the option to rotate the camera by clicking this icon here, and you can also decide to turn the flash on as well. If you click on friends, you can decide who you want to share this instant with. Now if you click on the icon in the top right hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see all of your previous instants that you've took in the past. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my photo, and that will now be shared over to my friends. So if we come back over to the previous window, you could then click on the instance icon once again and click on the icon in the top right hand side of the screen. Now if you go and click on any of your instants, this window here will show you if anyone's reacted to your instant photo. You can also delete instants from this page just by clicking the 3 horizontal dots, and then you can press delete instant. So that's how to go and use the new instance feature on Instagram.